you have any food in the pantry?
Mario and Luigi don't really buy junk food, but, I mean, we can check.
Ooh, I could go for a snack.
I'll go with you.
You know, you guys can wait for me.
There's nothing to eat.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system by your broadcast and public safety local apartments. Had this been an actual emergency, unofficial messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
That actually worked.
Come on, guys, let's go.
I can't believe we're sneaking out.
Wow! They have cookies!
They've got so many colorful slushies.
There's all types of hot dogs. That one even has a shirt on.
They have every ice cream in the world.
They have chips and salsa for the daring.
There's even milk. Yes.
Jalapenos. Oh, I need to drink something cold.
That looks so good.
Should we just share one cup?
No.
All right, put the cup here. Here we go.
Wow, this color is so pretty.
I want it green.
You got this, Tails. Come on.
Tails.
Drink as much as you can.
All right, I got this.
Suck it.
You got it.
You suck it.
Tails.
Suck it. Yeah. Tails, not bad.
Rain, freeze. My head feels funny. Why is everything so heavy? Help.
I still can't believe they have milk. What?
Don't worry, guys. I'm just gonna defrost in here.
We're gonna need a bigger chip.
Guys, help!
Oh, I want these gummy bears.
Sure, but what can we do with gummy snuggles?